I'm Chainika. I'm content specialist at QuantInsti and also a financial market enthusiast. The more I'm learning about algorithmic trading, the more it is exciting me. I would like to share some knowledge from my end today in this video. So without any further ado, let us head to the topic. 3 myths surrounding algorithmic trading in this video. First one is that algorithmic trading is impossible to learn. I don't think so, because there are a lot of self-taught algorithmic traders who have been the live example of algorithmic trading being very much possible. Even if you're from an unrelated educational or professional background, it is very much possible for you to learn algorithmic trading. I'll tell you how. So algorithmic trading needs a right course with the right knowledge, skills and practical information in the same, which makes it the best for you as a beginner to learn algorithmic trading. So let us now discuss the second myth that surrounds algorithmic trading. So your journey as an algorithmic trader or the person or the individual who wants to learn algorithmic trading needs to be as such where you are learning each and every important concept surrounding the same. Now, talking about the concepts of algorithmic trading or the steps of algorithmic trading, there are essential skills that you need to have for learning algorithmic trading, such as programming, the analytical and mathematical skills, and even your backtesting skill. But what if you do not want to learn backtesting and you think that backtesting is something which is not really important? What will happen is that you won't be able to evaluate your trading strategy, and evaluation of the trading strategy for doing algorithmic trading is really important. So when you are skipping an important concept like backtesting, what you are doing is you are skipping your chance of getting the good returns in general. So why backtesting is important is because it helps you evaluate the trading strategy and make any necessary adjustments in the strategy for you to be able to take further to the live market. Now coming to the third myth. So basically people always find it a hindrance to their learning ability if they are not from the same educational background or a related educational background as the trading. But when you are dedicated and have the perseverance to learn algorithmic trading, that can never be an issue. Contrary to the popular belief that only PhD holders or C++ programmers can become algorithmic traders, algorithmic trading is very much possible for you even if you're from an unrelated educational or professional background. Definitely you need the fundamentals such as analytical and mathematical knowledge, a good programming knowledge, also having a good understanding of the financial markets, and the last but not the least is strategy development process. In case you have acquired all these skills, you're good to go and you do not need to wait for yourself to become a professional trader or to have a particular education or the knowledge of any other subject. So all the best for your trading journey, and please let us know in the comment section if there are any queries for us. We would be happy to help you. Thank you.